My name's Brenna. I go to Altoona Area High School. I'm a junior and I go to the GACTC and I am in the Baking and Pastry Arts program. So in the Baking and Pastries program, we learn a lot of safety and sanitation at first, and then we go more into actual baking products and nutrition. We also do a lot of teamwork, so we build a lot of team skills. We're always working in partners or in groups. I really enjoy making pies and cupcakes. Those are my personal favorites, but we also make things like scones, we make cakes, biscuits, brownies, cookies, donuts, pizza dough. I really enjoy using the rotary rack oven. It's the one that spins because you can bake a bunch of different products all at once, and it's really helpful on time management. So when I was in 8th grade, I took a culinary class, and I've always really enjoyed cooking, so I thought that that would be something I would really like to do. When I did come here and I was able to challenge myself and learn a bunch of new things that I've never done before, it really just excited me to move forward and learn as much as I possibly can. A lot of people think that Baking and Pastry Arts is just making food and getting to eat it, and that is a part of it, but a lot of it is also skill and knowledge that you have to know before you can even get in the kitchen and make the food. Whenever you're in baking and pastries, everything's very exact. You can't just add a dash of this or a pinch of that like you can in culinary. Everything has to be in specific measurements. We also are really important on time management and conserving as much time as possible. This program really helps someone build up to be someone who is employable out in the real world. I just finished my OSHA certification, and that's just learning about safety using equipment, safety with electricals, fires. There's also a ServSafe certification that you can get. You learn a bunch of safety and sanitation rules. So someone who's considering this program, I would say just know that you're gonna have to work hard, you're gonna have to put in effort, you're gonna have to challenge yourself all the time and really be able to push through those moments where it can get difficult and frustrating.